What's up, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. If you're looking for a pack of lightning cables, look no further. I just bought these because they're 3 feet, they're a 3-pack, and they were one of the cheapest sets out there. I definitely read the reviews on lightning cables and cables of all sorts because you can kind of get a little spotty on what works and what does not. So this Voltrix one seemed to get good enough reviews that people said, hey, these work. Now, I want to just quick unbox them and show them to you and tell you why I picked them up. First of all, I love these nylon braided cables on them. They just are really durable. They seem to take a beating. I like the one solid colors in the black or whatever, but this one is an alternating silver and black. It's pretty nice. We've got aluminized ends here on this end, as well as this end with the Voltrix logo on it. So really nice, high quality feeling. And because they're only 3 feet, 1 meter, basically 1 yard exactly, you know, they should work for a lot of applications. And what I really wanted this for is to put in my car. So I really wanted shorter lightning cables. I have some longer ones and it's just kind of flopping all over. And then the braided nylon here is kind of nice just to be able to make sure that, you know, if they get snagged up or hung up on stuff, that they're not going to get severed or something like that really easily. So anyway, pick this 3-pack up for like 10 bucks. It was pretty inexpensive. If you want a set for yourself, check them out. I'll put a link in the description below. Peter from Panda, out.